Hi guys, Saloni this side and welcome back to our channel Codera. So guys, this is the 15th video of our SQL tutorial series, and in the last video we discussed about the AND, OR and NOT operator. And if you didn't watch that video yet, so don't worry, you will find the video link in the description box. Or you can also check out our complete SQL playlist. So guys, in today's video we will talk about the between operator, not between operator, in and not in operator. And with this video you will also get the SQL practice question, so please watch the video till the end so that you can solve those questions. And guys, if you are new to our channel, then please hit the subscribe button so that you can get the latest updates. So first we will discuss about the between operator. So guys, in our childhood we all have done this math activity where we have to find the number between the two numbers. So our SQL between operator is also similar to that one. So in SQL we use this between operator with the where clause, and this between operator selects row or data which lies within a given range, and the value of range can be a number, text or date, something like this. So our where clause will fetch the data which is within the range of the between operator, and this operator is inclusive. That means it includes the begin and end values also to filter the data. For example, our range is 10 to 15, so it will give the results which has column value greater than or equal to lower value, which means greater than or equal to 10, or it will give us the result which has column value less than or equal to higher value, which means less than or equal to 15. But guys, here we have one exception, that is in case of text or string, the between operator don't include the end value. So suppose your condition is between A to H, then in that case it will filter the data which will have column value greater than or equal to A, or it should be less than H, but it won't include the H. And you can use this between operator with select, insert, update and delete commands also. So guys, let's see the general syntax for the between operator. So guys, after the where clause, we will write the column name on which we want to apply the between operator. After that, we will write between keyword, and then we will write the two values separated by the end. So these two values are the range for our between operator. But remember one thing, that the value 1 must be the lower value and value 2 must be the higher value. Otherwise, you won't get the results. So now let's solve some queries based on between operator. So guys, in our employee table we have these 5 columns, which is ID, name, salary, department and date of birth. So our first question is to display ID and name of the employee who has ID between 103 and 107. So to solve this question, our SQL query will be something like this. So we will write select ID, name from employee where ID between 103 and 107. Now let's execute our query. So you can see in the output we have two columns, which is ID and name, and all the IDs are between 103 and 107. And as I said before, between operator is inclusive in nature. That's why in the result we have 103 and 107 IDs also. So now our next question is to display all the details of the employee whose name is between A and J. So to solve this query, we will write select star from employee where name between A and J. So guys, here you can see that in the results we have only one record, while in our table we have two more records whose name starts with J. So as I said earlier, that in case of string, between operator don't include the end values. So to solve this query or to get the desired result, you can change the range of the end value. So instead of J we can write K. So let's execute this query. So now you can see in the result we get what we want. So in this way you can solve this query. And guys, one more thing, that you can also reverse the results of the between operator just by adding not operator before the between keyword. So guys, let's reverse the result of our first question. So our question will be like, display ID and name of the employee who has ID other than the ID between 103 and 107. So to solve this query, we will use the query that we have used in the first question. So what we have to do is, we just have to add not operator before the between operator. So we will write not. Now let's execute this query. You can see in the results, we have all the records which has ID not between 103 and 107. So in this way, between and not between operator works. So now we will discuss about the in operator. So basically, with the help of in operator, we can specify multiple values in the where clause. So here we specify multiple values in a list. So the where clause will check whether the column value matches any value in the given list or not. So if any value in the given list equals to the column value of the table, then the in operator will return true or 1. Otherwise it will return false or 0. So we can say that in operator is shorthand for multiple or condition, something like this. So if you are applying multiple or operator on same column, then it is a good practice to use in operator instead of multiple or operators. So guys, this is the general syntax for the in operator. So after the where clause, we have to write the column name on which we want to apply the in operator. And then we will write the in keyword, and then we will specify the list of values in the parenthesis to filter the data. So guys, let's solve a question based on in operator, which will help you to understand this operator in a more better way. So our question is to display all the details of the employee who has ID 102, 105, 108 and 112. So guys, to solve this query, we will write select star from employee where ID in. After that we will provide the values in the parenthesis. So we will write 102, 105, 108, 112. So here this in operator will match the each value of ID column with these 4 values. So if the value of ID is equal to any one of these values, then the query will return that row. So let's execute this query. So guys, here you can see in the output we have 3 records, because in our table we have records with the ID 102, 105 and 108 only. We don't have any record with the ID 112. So the query will return false or 0 for the ID 112. So you can apply the in operator on any column. So now let's find ID, name and department of the employee who worked in HR or developer department. So let's solve this query. So for this we have to write select ID, name, department from employee where department in HR, developer. So let's execute our query. So guys, you can see in the output we have 3 columns, ID, name and department. And in the department column we have only 2 type of values, which is HR and developer. So this is how you can solve this query. So guys, in this way you can use the in operator. And always remember one thing, whenever you have to use the multiple or operator on a same column, then you should prefer the in operator. And guys, there is one more interesting thing with the in operator is that you can also write the select statement inside the parenthesis of in operator. So basically it is the concept of subquery, which we will discuss in detail in some other video. So now let's have a discussion on not in operator. So guys, it is similar to the not between operator. So not in operator reverse the result of in operator. So it will return true or 1 if the column value is not equal to any value in the given list. Otherwise it will return false or 0. So basically not in operator ensures that the expression proceeded does not have any of the value present in the given list. So this not in operator is shorthand for these 2 expressions. So instead of writing this lengthy expression, you can use not in operator. So this is the syntax to use not in operator. So we just have to write not keyword before the in operator, and then the rest of the query will be same as before. So now let's solve a question using not in operator. So our question is to display all the details of the employee whose salary is not equal to 2000, 3000 and 6000. So guys, let's solve our query. So for this we will write select a star from employee where salary not in. So here we have to use not operator, not in. After that we will provide our values. So our values are 2000, 3000, 6000. So let's execute our query. So you can see we have all the records except those who has value of salary equal to 2000, 3000 and 6000. So it is very simple to use in and not in operators. And if you want to practice more on all these 4 operators, then please check out the PDF in the description box for SQL practice questions. And in the description box, you will also find the answers of last SQL practice questions. So guys, that's all about this video. I hope this video will help you to understand this operator more easily. So guys, don't forget to like our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.